Good morning. Today we are doing trigonometry, class 10 trigonometry, exercise 8.3. Okay, question number 1. Evaluate number 1, sine 18 degree by cos 72 degree. Number 2, cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. Number 3, sine 35 degree sine into sine 55 degree minus cos 35 degree into cos 55 degree. Number 4, tan 35 degree into tan 60 degree into tan 55 degree into tan 30 degree. Number 5, cot 54 degree by tan 36 degree plus tan 20 degree by cot 70 degree minus 2. So let me solve one by one. Okay, let me solve one by one. Solution number 1, sine 18 degree by cos 72 degree. So before solving this one, you have to know the formula, complementary formula. I think I gave you before complementary formula. First, you have to see how many angles are here. Here two angles, 18 degree and 72 degree. So you have, and both are less than 90 degree. Both are less than 90 degree. If both are less than 90 degree and if two angles are there, you have to apply complementary formula in any one of the two angle, in any one, either in 18 degree or in 72 degree. It is up to you where will you apply. So let me apply complementary formula in the numerator, that means in 18 degree. Okay, if two angles are there, in any one you have to apply. So sine, complementary means 90 minus something, 90 minus 72. Directly you write. If you apply in the numerator, you will write 90 minus 72, and if you apply in 72, you will write 90 minus 18. Okay, it will remain as it is, 72. Now sine 90 minus theta, theta means here 72 degree. Sine 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos theta means 72 degree by this one, cos 72 degree. Cancel, same, it is 1. Very simple, very easy. Okay, now solution to question number 2. Okay, same, no difference, it is same. Cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. Cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. Similarly, same as before, same as number 1. First you see how many angles are there, and one 48, other is your 42. Two angles are there and both are less than 90 degree. Both are less than 90 degree. So you have to apply complementary formula in any one, either in 48 or in 42. It is up to you. So let me apply here. Cos complementary means 90 minus something, 90 degree minus the second one, 42 degree. 90 minus 42 will get 48. Okay, minus it will remain as it is, sin 42 degree. Cos 90 minus theta, complementary formula, cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Theta means here 42 degree, this one, minus sin 42 degree. Negative positive cancel, 0. This is the answer. Okay, solution to question number 3. Okay, solution number 3. Solution question number 3, sin 35 degree into sine 55 degree minus cos 35 degree into cos 55 degree. Okay, so same as before. First you have to see how many angles are there. You may think 4 angles here, 1 2 3 4, like no, but it is not 4, only 2 angles are there, 35 and 55. 35 and 55 are the 2 angles. If 2 angles are there, you have to apply formula in any one, and both are less than 90 degree. Okay, so you have to apply complementary formula. You will apply complementary formula in any one, either in 35 or in 55. Okay, if 2 angles are there, in any one you have to apply complementary formula if it is less than 90 degree. Okay, so let me apply here in 35, like sine 90 degree minus, directly at 55 degree. Okay, 90 minus 55 is 35. Then this sine 55 will remain as it is, sine 55 degree will remain as it is, minus, we have applied here in 35, so you must apply here also in 35. cos 90 degree minus directly you will get 55 degree into cos 55 degree. Okay, cos 55 degree. Then sin 90 minus theta. Theta means 55. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos theta means 55 degree. And this sin, this will remain as it is, 55 degree minus cos 90 minus theta. It will be a sin theta. Theta means 55. Then this cos 55 will remain as it is. Look, sin 55 degree, cos 55 degree, sin 55 degree, cos 55, same, cancel it, 0. This is the answer number 3. Now solution to question number 4. Okay, solution. How to solve this here? It is given tan 35 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 55 degree, and tan 30 degree. Okay, so same as before. You see how many angles are here now? 35, 60, 55, 30, all are different. That means 4 angles are there, and all are less than 90 degree. All are less than 90 degree. If 4 angles are there, you have to apply, if it is less than 90 degree, you have to apply complementary formula. Okay, and all are less than 90 degree, so you apply formula in any two. Here 4 angles are there, so either you apply complementary formula in first two, this 35 and 60, or in last two. It is up to you. Okay, if 4 angles are there, you apply in 2. If 6 angles are there, in 3, like that. Here, so apply complementary formula in first two or last two. So let me apply in first two. So tan 90 minus, you will not at 60 degree, you will at 55 degree, because you are applying in first two. So 55. You subtract, you see, you'll get 35. Okay, then tan, we are applying in first two, so directly you'll at 90 minus 30 degree, that last one, 30 degree. Then rest will remain as this one, tan 55 degree. I don't have enough space this side, so let me write here, or possible I think, no, tan 30 degree. Okay, no, tan 55 degree into tan 30 degree. All right, now tan 90 minus theta. For now, tan 90 minus theta is your cot theta. Cot theta means 55 degree. Tan 90 minus theta. Theta means 30, so tan 90 minus theta is your cot theta. Here theta means 30 degree. Okay, then tan 55 degree, and then tan 30 degree. Now arrangement, 30 30 one side bring, and then 10 10 you bring one side, cot, sorry, 55 55 one side, 30 30 one side. Okay, arrange it, arrangement, cot 55 degree, then what is 55? This one, 10 into tan 55 degree into cot 30 degree into tan 30 degree. We know that tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. The theta means 55. Tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Similarly, this tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Okay, 1 1 ja 1, 1 ja 1. So this is the formula we applied here. Tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. The formula no need to write, just I have shown you this one. Okay, that means this one, tan theta into cot theta 1. This is tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. So 1 1 ja 1. This is the answer. Question. Okay, today's last question, solution to question number 5. Last question. Solution. Cot 54, cot 54 degree by tan 36 degree, tan 36 degree plus in the middle plus tan 20 degree by cot 70 degree minus 2. So same as before, here in the first term it is 54 by 36, here it is 20 by 70. So you'll apply actually all are less than 90 degree. Okay, so you apply complementary formula either in 54 or in 36. Okay, so we'll apply in 54 cot 90 degree minus 36 degree, you'll get this much. Then 36 will remain as it is, plus either in any one, either in 20 or in 70 apply. So let me apply in 20. So 10 90 degree minus 70 degree, this one 70 by cot 70 degree minus 2, cot 90 minus theta, it is your 10 theta, 10 theta, theta means 36 degree by 10 theta. Okay, 1090 minus theta equal to cot theta, cot theta means 70 degree, 70 degree by this cot 70 degree minus 2, cot cancel, 1 remain, 1036 10 cancel, 1 remain. Okay, 1 plus this 1 minus 2, 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 cancel, 0 remain. This is the answer. So this is the last question for today. Okay.